What if I told you your body is secretly eating itself? Right now, this very minute, your body may be breaking down your own muscle tissue, quietly, slowly, every single day. This isn't about exercise, it's not about age, it's about one simple food your muscles are desperately missing. If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker, stairs feel harder, or you've noticed your strength slipping away, it's not just getting older, it's called sarcopenia. And it's stealing your independence. But there's a food, a real natural whole food, that can reverse it. It's not a protein shake, not a pill, not something expensive. And the best part? It works while you sleep. If you ignore this, you're not just losing muscle, you're losing your metabolism, your balance, your energy, your dignity. According to the National Institute on Aging, muscle loss begins around age 50 and speeds up after 60. By 70, you could have lost up to 30% of your total muscle mass. By 80, up to 50%. And it's not just about being able to walk or carry groceries. Muscle controls, blood sugar, joint stability, brain health, bone density, hormone balance, and even your immune system lose it. And the dominoes fall. Your risk of falls skyrockets. Your recovery from surgery slows. You burn fewer calories, you store more fat, you feel tired for no reason. And before long, simple tasks feel like lifting furniture, but it doesn't have to go this way. There's one daily food that can help reverse this trend: cottage cheese. Yes, that simple, humble, old-school food from your childhood. It may not look like much, but cottage cheese is one of the most effective, science-backed anti-sarcopenia weapons known to man. Why? Let's break it down. 1. It's rich in casein protein. This type of protein digests slowly, feeding your muscles for up to 7 hours. It's like time-release muscle food, perfect for seniors, especially before bed. 2. It's packed with leucine. Leucine is the key amino acid that tells your body, hey, build muscle. Without leucine, your body won't rebuild, no matter how much protein you eat. 3. It supports bone health. Cottage cheese delivers calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for bone density and fracture prevention. 4. It's low in sugar, easy to digest, and accessible. No fancy powders, no kitchen mess, just scoop and eat. And according to a randomized controlled trial at Maastricht University, adults who consumed 30 grams of protein from cottage cheese before sleep experienced significantly greater overnight muscle synthesis than those who didn't. Yes, your body can build muscle while you sleep. Practical tip 1. The 10 p.m. protein strategy. Here's what most people get wrong. They eat their last meal at 7 p.m., then sleep for 10 hours. That's a full fasting window. No protein, no fuel. And what happens? Your body breaks down muscle tissue to stay alive. But what if you fed it before bed? Research from Harvard Health shows that seniors who consume 20 to 30 grams of slow-digesting protein before sleep maintain significantly more lean mass than those who don't. So here's your new habit. At 9:30 or 10 p.m., eat 1/2 to 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. That's around 15 to 25 grams of casein protein, enough to activate overnight repair. Want to boost the effect? Add a few walnuts or drizzle olive oil for healthy fats. This helps slow digestion and improve absorption. Takes 60 seconds. No cleanup. Powerful results, but only if you do this next step right. Practical tip 2. Pair with magnesium for muscle activation. Protein alone doesn't build muscle. Your body needs the minerals and enzymes to activate that protein. One of the most overlooked, magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction, nerve firing, and recovery. And according to Mayo Clinic, over 70% of seniors in the US are magnesium deficient due to medications, processed foods, and low intake of greens and nuts. Low magnesium means muscle cramps, restless legs, poor recovery, weaker strength, higher risk of sarcopenia. Solution: take 200-400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate with dinner, or eat spinach, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate regularly. Then finish the day with your cottage cheese before bed. Now you're not just eating protein, you're activating it. But this next food pairing takes it even further. Practical tip 3. Add pineapple. Yes, seriously. Here's a weird one: cottage cheese plus pineapple. Not just delicious, scientific. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down and absorb protein. It also reduces inflammation and helps digestion. According to Stanford's Digestive Health Center, eating bromelain-rich foods with protein can boost protein absorption by 20 to 30%. Plus, the vitamin C in pineapple enhances collagen production, critical for ligaments, tendons, and skin elasticity. So that bowl of cottage cheese and pineapple at night? It's not dessert, it's a longevity prescription. And the best part? The combo improves gut health, which affects everything from mood to immunity to energy. But don't let this next daily mistake cancel it out. Major daily habit or mistake to avoid: skipping protein at breakfast. This one decision, made by millions every morning, wrecks your metabolism and accelerates sarcopenia. Most seniors have coffee, toast, maybe a fruit, or nothing at all, and that's a disaster. You've just slept for 8 to 10 hours. Your body is in a fasted catabolic state. If you don't eat protein within 1 hour of waking, your body continues to break down muscle for fuel. NIH data shows that older adults who skip protein at breakfast experience double the muscle loss over 5 years compared to those who eat a protein-rich meal early. Here's your fix: 2 boiled eggs, 1 slice of Ezekiel bread, or 1 scoop of whey isolate in water, plus a handful of walnuts. Done. 25 to 30 grams of protein. No catabolism, no loss, just fuel. Now time for the truth no one tells you: why enough protein isn't actually enough. You've probably heard this: just eat 50-60 grams of protein a day, that's plenty. Wrong. That number is based on the RDA from 1941, just enough to prevent deficiency, not enough to build anything. New research from Tufts University and Stanford Medicine shows that seniors need 1.2–1.6 g of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That's about 80–100 grams of protein per day, divided into 3 meals with 25 to 35 grams each, including at least 2.5 g leucine per meal to trigger synthesis. If you eat 80 grams total, but split it like 10 grams at breakfast, 20 grams at lunch, and 50 grams at dinner, you're still underactivating your muscles. It's not just how much you eat, it's when and how you eat it. Cottage cheese at night solves this. High protein, high leucine, slow digesting, convenient, and it closes your daily gap. Now let's seal the deal. If you're 60 plus and want to stop muscle loss today, eat 1/2 to 1 cup cottage cheese before bed, pair it with pineapple for absorption, add magnesium-rich foods or supplement with dinner. Never skip morning protein. Get 25 to 30 grams within 1 hour of waking. Hit 80–100 gram total protein daily. Distribute it across 3 meals. Focus on leucine-rich foods: eggs, cottage cheese, whey, lentils, fish. Avoid skipping breakfast, eating high carbs, low protein meals, thinking dinner-only protein is enough, depending solely on multivitamins or collagen powder. Remember, you don't age because you lose muscle. You lose muscle because no one taught you how to eat for your age. But now you know, and it starts with a spoonful of cottage cheese tonight. No drama, no gimmicks, just a quiet revolution happening in your muscles while you sleep.